all to the special assembly on this auspicious occasion of Dussehra, that is also known as Vijayadashmi, on behalf of Shamrock House.
First of all, I think we need to give a huge round of applause to Shamrock House for giving us this beautiful assembly. Everything was just excellent. Whether it was the choir or the dance or the skit, that effort was seen in each and everything.
I would like to invite respected Principal Ma'am, Headmistress Ma'am and Academic Coordinator Ma'am to do the honors.